Hi guys, we have another sliding door. This one is quite different that I show in the other video. So here we have the box with everything we need just to assemble two door, and here the lovely packs that I already assembled. We are based in London, so let's start assembling the bottom rail. Bottom rail is this one. Here we have all fittings that you need. So what we do, slowly out, we use this small screw just for one, two, and then over here, other side, we use this screw here. Then again this side here, we have one, two, and the last one over there. Let's go on top. We have the rail on top, so just place it in the middle, we push, and here we are. Now we have push well until you see the pre-hole. Yeah. And now again, just a small screw here, one big, two small, and one big. And the rail are now done, so let's focus on the door. So let's now assemble the door one by one. Those are the lateral part of the door. As I mentioned, this is the top of the door and this is the bottom, so the top here, so as you can see, and just see there is a hole just together, and then there is this lovely Allen key that you need to tie, yeah, and tie a little bit. So on top we are going to screw the wheels. So this is come together and this come together. Same on the other door, on the other part. That's straight. With these wheels always, so just push and back, same side, push and back. This screw here, just there is the middle, and tight. And tight. Same to this. This is quite important. So now I go to the back. I use this part here. Attach together. I like it. And screw. Other side. So use the same slide and center the middle. Okay. Go to the other side. This is how it looks like our door. This is the top point with the rails. We are now going to do the same again with the door. Now wheel, same, 1 and 2. We use the wheel on this. We're going to screw. Then we go to the back, bottom panel, again. This is how our door looks like right now. There we are. So now it's time to attach the door. Here we have the top part of that. This is the door with the small wheel. You can see. So how I attach, just from one side and then to the other side. And then just slide side, push, side, push. Yeah, very important. Take this out. And from now, what you need to do is just open another side. Another side. Very important. If you fit mirror door, you need to put the sticker. On top. Then we have these 3 actually. Our to do our paneling. So our customer wants white. Slide and put into the middle. Slide and put into the middle. Then this one, just push the panel and then put those 2 pins just on one side, the other side, and then continue the paneling. Same again. Hold always. in. Make sure that it fits and push, yeah? And again with the bottom. Yeah. Make sure that this is in. Put on as well. Last one on top. Just slide it in. Close. Side. Sure the door is closed. There we are. The door is now complete. Perfect. So let's fit now the other door. How it fits. Just ready. Make sure we go into the ready. There we are. On this side. Maximum and take. Yeah, same. Remove this. Here. We need to stick. And then we start from mirror glass. Be careful, it's very fragile. So there's the one. Yeah. Make sure do it properly. Chop in. Inside here. Straight. Voila. It's done. Always hold the panel because otherwise you have to look. Hold the panel. Sure. And when you do, just slowly, otherwise you can break the mirror easily. Have one and two. And here we have the last one. There we are. Of course. Make sure everything is closed. So here we go. The box. Last two touching. We have this one, the big side, go to the external door. So on this side here. Very quickly I will stick. Very quickly I will stick this on top of this. Yeah, it's ready. Small screw, fitting, just put it inside. middle one. Here we are. We need to place this one. Just start from the middle. We use put down one. Door. So you can see the door close properly from top to bottom, so they don't need any kind of adjustment. Here as well, it's sealed properly. So all good, well done. So this is how I assemble the door. There is a last part, this one, that go on top here, just to unstick this part here, and that's it. So the door works perfectly. Yeah. Excellent. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope this can be useful for you and how to assemble the door.